welcome to my channel, Inspiring Joy. So today I just walked through repotting some flowers that were in a vase that my husband gave to me last week. And I wanted to save the ones that were still blooming and still smelling great and still coming out of their shell. And so I took some and I put into this smaller vase, the ones that were a bit shorter, too short for the larger vase. So I'm going to give this bouquet to my daughter. Anytime that my husband gives a bouquet of flowers or brings home flowers from the grocery store or has some delivered for whatever occasion, when I split them out and divide them, as I often do as they start to wilt in some areas and kind of go through their life cycle, I like to divide them and put some into a smaller vase for my daughter in her bedroom. So I will put these in her room and surprise her for when she comes home after school today. So these are just gorgeous lilies and roses, all white with greenery. I think they're just absolutely beautiful. Lilies are one of my favorite flowers, especially near springtime when they start to bloom and their scent. Of course, roses, can't go wrong with those either. Just stunning. So I have another video where I took this particular pot and aged it. I'll link that video here. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. Very simple, something easy to do to find some joy in your day. I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye now.